Friends, my name is Jarvis, and I am welcoming you to our channel Code with Gaurav. Have you like a Python program which can speak, and all that things which you give him to speak then stay up to end? I will tell you how can it made in few seconds. First, if you like this video, then do subscribe to Code with Gaurav and do like also. And I wish that you done it. Now I will go to Visual Studio Code and we will do some code. And if you don't know that, what is Visual Studio Code? Then it is a open source IDE, which is free to use. And you don't know how to download it, then see the previous video. See if you want to make it. Then first open Windows PowerShell and download Win32. It is a module of Python. Now write in Windows PowerShell pip install Win32. My module is already installed, and so it is showing this. Now come in Visual Studio Code and write from Win32com.client import dispatch. Now we import our download module. Now we will make our speak function. Write definite speak and in bracket str equals string, so our program can only read string, it cannot read integer and float value, so I think that you will understand it. Now write in speak function. Speak equals dispatch, sapi.sp voice, speak.speak, str. sapi.sp voice is nothing, it is used to take sound from our PC. Now write out from our speak function that anything which you want to read.